Wellness Wendy's Way, y'all. One of my favorites is getting out and about and being in nature, getting some sunlight, moving my body. Y'all, check this out, man. Check this out. Wellness Wendy's Way. This is it. This is one of the many ways for Wendy to be well. You see the smile, y'all. It feels so good being out here in the nature. Walking on a trail. I'm at the little event listening to some good jazz music, some funk, you know. Decided to go for a nice little walk. Got a little construction going on up there, y'all see. Let me show y'all the nature. The nature. Wellness Wendy's Way. It feels so good out here. It's my first time actually on this trail, so I need to pay attention so I don't get lost out here. Can't get too lost though. I ain't going that far. But this is nice. You guys get out, get some air. Smell. This air smells so good out here. Feels good, nice deep breaths I'm taking in. Just smiling, the sun shining on my skin. Oh, it feels so good. Feels so good, man. I'm telling y'all right now. Alright, I'm gonna take some time and just bask in this moment. I'm gonna end my video by saying, please do something positive today for your mind, your body, your soul, and for someone else. Y'all take care.